In a phased intervention that commenced in 2019, a dwelling in Porto underwent a transformative exterior upgrade following an interior remodeling. Positioned uniquely, the building boasts a sprawling terrace of approximately 180.00 square meters, offering breathtaking views of the Douro River, Porto, Mosteiro da Serra do Pilar, and the distant mountains. The project's focus was to extend the interior social space seamlessly into the exterior, capitalizing on the captivating landscape. At the heart of the design is a bioclimatic pergola, chosen for its innovative design, easy installation, and year-round comfort. The covered exterior space not only integrates with the outdoors but also ensures cozy use during winter. The interior ambience replicates an indoor living space, featuring solid teak wood panels on the walls, lacquered aluminum and glass boundary walls, and composite deck boards for the flooring. Transparent glass guards accentuate the connection between the interior and the mesmerizing landscape. Outdoor furniture pieces by renowned designers Rodolfo Dordoni and Charlotte Perriand for Casina grace the defined interior area, with carefully chosen colors that complement rather than overshadow the natural surroundings. Crucially, any intervention in this space is meticulously planned to avoid compromising the star attraction, the landscape. The project exemplifies a harmonious blend of innovation, practicality, and an unwavering commitment to preserving the natural beauty that surrounds this remarkable dwelling in Porto. In the meticulous transformation of this petite 51 SQM apartment, the challenges faced were anything but proportional to its size. The project envisioned two distinct realities: one, a highly compartmentalized space, and the other, an open, fluid layout without hindrances. A key design feature to tackle this duality was the creation of large doors for the four compartments, allowing them to integrate seamlessly when opened. The result is a stunning and luminous space, predominantly adorned in white. Upon entering, a small niche lined with wood provides a functional yet aesthetically pleasing space for pocket emptying and shoe storage. The overarching theme throughout the apartment is a careful chromatic balance, incorporating hints of wood elements to evoke a cozy, minimalist atmosphere. The clever utilization of the 51 SQM posed a particular challenge when it came to incorporating a workspace. With only 16 SQM dedicated to the living room, the design had to ensure functionality without compromising daily use. In response, a tailor-made home office was ingeniously crafted into an existing niche, offering comfort without encroaching on the dining area. The desk is expandable, providing a comfortable workspace that can be discreetly closed off when the dining table is in use. A sideboard runs along the room, connecting the office to the outer space, creating a sense of continuity. The dining area, centrally located and highlighted by the only suspended light fixture in the entire house, seamlessly transitions into the living area. The latter, made possible by occupying the existing marquee area, enjoys a privileged position with visual connections to the surrounding greenery, filtering the hustle of the main city artery in Almada. The open corner kitchen adds another layer of fluidity between the dining and preparation spaces. Despite the limited space, the design aims to establish visual connections between the different compartments of the house. A small window between the kitchen and the living room not only facilitates a playful interaction between the spaces but also serves a functional role as a side table next to the sofa. The kitchen mirrors the design strategy of the social area, maintaining an all-white theme with light-toned countertops to avoid sharp contrasts and create an illusion of spaciousness. A white pivoting plan introduces flexibility, allowing the private room to be separated from the entrance and social area as needed. A vestibule strategically positioned ensures access to the bathroom without traversing through the bedroom. The consistent color palette, dominated by white, extends into the private space, where a gray bureau upholstered headboard, a traditional Portuguese fabric, maintains balance and neutrality in line with the apartment's overall aesthetic. The Singer, an apartment renovation named after its 1939 Art Deco landmark on Rua de Sá da Bandeira in Porto, carefully reimagines the original details and material palette. The design transforms the space into a more open, less compartmentalized layout, embracing flexibility. A second circulation axis bathes the interior in light, enhancing the living experience. Bedrooms, cleverly integrated as capsules within the social spaces, maintain privacy through curtain dividers. Situated in the building's elbow, the spacious living room is divided symmetrically, aligning with the angle between the adjacent streets. Each new element introduced, from deco-inspired kitchen cupboard knobs to oak wood wardrobe handles, bedroom window frames, and bathroom stonework in Lias stone, is thoughtfully selected to harmonize with existing features. This approach not only preserves the historic charm of the Singer building but seamlessly blends it with contemporary design, creating a stylish and cohesive living environment in the heart of Porto. Nestled at the base of Serra da Estrela, the city of Gouveia boasts the iconic Avenida General Humberto Delgado, a testament to architectural heritage. Renamed post-April 25, 1974, it holds historic significance. Along this avenue lies a discreet 1965 building, a representative of Portugal's modernist architecture that once graced its major cities. Characterized by concrete visors, continuous balconies, and wooden three-leaf windows, it stands out in the local context, perched on terraced granite walls with distinctive stonework details. The first-floor apartment within this unassuming structure underwent a meticulous renovation, striving to preserve the building's inherent character. Accessed from the back due to the city's topography, the intervention aimed to be economically viable while honoring the original details, flooring, wooden frames, and antique furniture. The internal organization is purposeful. An intimate nucleus with 3 bedrooms is strategically separated from the social areas, comprising 2 living rooms and a kitchen. A former maid's room underwent transformation into a kitchen pantry, coupled with an autonomous sanitary installation strategically placed in the corridor for universal accessibility. The renovation went beyond mere structural changes. The intervention sought to enhance communication between spaces and maximize exposure to natural light. The kitchen, positioned to the east, complements the west-facing living rooms, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor environments throughout the day. The design carefully avoided the open space trend, aiming for direct relationships while maintaining the structural integrity of the apartment. Integral to the transformation was the role of carpentry. 3 specialized carpenters were pivotal. The general carpenter treated the floors and crafted kitchen bench furniture and sinks from solid sapple wood. Another carpenter focused on the meticulous restoration of antique furniture, including a china cabinet, sideboards, and chairs. The third artisan contributed to the lighting elements, restoring copper and brass lamps and crafting floor lamps in Secupra wood, delineating the separation between the living and dining rooms. Nestled in Lisbon on Rua de São Sebastião de Pedreira, a pivotal city artery in the early 20th century, this historic building, once a venue for a Philharmonic society, underwent a remarkable transformation. Originally a 1990s office space with open layouts, the project unfolded as a response to the challenges of limited natural light and ventilation. A complete demolition paved the way for innovative solutions, including a small accessible courtyard and the reorganization of an existing one, strategically placing private areas to the rear. The social domain took shape as a dynamic sequence of fluid spaces, characterized by 2 non-orthogonal, pink-painted walls. These walls, adorned with diagonals and curves, create nuanced moments of compression leading to expansive and welcoming spaces. A pivotal design element emerged in the form of a large blue box, acting as a hinge. This versatile structure not only defines and organizes the program but also facilitates spatial expansion. Serving as the kitchen core, it employs sliding doors to seamlessly connect the living room and dining area. On the main facade, alongside a generous living area, 2 small rooms have transformed into versatile workspaces, a library, or meeting rooms. This design foresight aligns with the contemporary lifestyle, recognizing the growing need for shared work and family spaces. The revitalization of this space on Rua de São Sebastião de Pedreira is a testament to the fusion of historical charm and modern functionality, offering a dynamic living experience in the heart of Lisbon.